Hey everybody, this is Jerry here, Minomoto. Got another box here, ready to go. From Tour and Ride. Gonna install something on the Pan America. I'm not gonna bother opening it, just gonna jump right in. What am I saying? Of course I'm gonna open it, just not gonna make you watch. Because you are gonna see, installing a little Italian flair to my Pan America. Going with a Givi top box. Why a Givi top box? I already have one. A pretty big one. I think it's a 47-liter one. I use it on my old bike. So going with Givi made a little bit more sense since I already have that. But of course it just doesn't stop with the rack. Parts, directions, not a lot to it. This thing is metal. My last bike was plastic. So this is pretty impressive, the plate. Let's move over to the Pan America. Okay, I crawled down to the bike level just to show you. Here, where the Givi is going to mount, is this existing hole. They gave me the bolts. I have washers and lock washers. I did put a little bit of thread lock, so let me screw these guys up tight. Make sure it is not going anywhere. I don't know if I said this already, that Givi went with the same T30 as what was in there. In case anything has to be done on the road, I am covered. You guys don't want to see this. I'll finish this up and hopefully we'll get back to the top. Okay everybody, I'm off the floor. I did get my mounts put in the back. They're pretty solid, still able to remove them. Something just it's a little odd. Let me flip you. Boop. The Pan Am, if you could see, it has an indentation for luggage. I'm assuming that if I were to get the Givi side bags, they would have a bracket that would fit in here and the top rack would go over top. Since, flip you around, since I do not have side baggage from Givi, I'll be putting in these little teeny tiny spacers right over top of there, and then I'll be dropping the existing screws in. So that is pretty interesting that they planned ahead for that. Good job, Givi. Okay, so here I go, taking the existing rack. This was just that little bent piece I was talking about. The lifter will pick it up a little bit. I'll use the existing bolt to go through, and then this to hold it onto the rail. Do you guys want to see that? I don't know. I'm just going to keep the camera on. Those guys are on in the back. Keep everything else loose. Get ready to put the rack on. I did use blue Loctite on those. They're sitting flush, so woohoo! All right, that's it. We get the lock nuts on and rock and roll. Alright, I'm going to say that this was a pretty easy job to do. What I got? 4 bolts to mount to the motorcycle. 4 bolts to the motorcycle. 1, 2. There's one right under here. Right here. And then on the other side. Then you just mount the plate. Let me show you why I like Givi luggage. You guys see that? The luggage actually slides into, and then it hooks on this lock right here. This is their mono key, I believe. It's all interchangeable. It really is a great system. Let me show you how easy it is to put on. Hear that snap? It's on. I'm shaking my gas. That thing is not going anywhere. I was wrong. This is a 46 liter. Multiple keys. They really make it easy to get locks with their keys. To get in, you actually have to turn it, push a button. I still have some stuff in here I use for storage. But I mean, it's great. I can put a full face helmet in here. This one has a little compartment for documents. I don't know anybody that used that, but it's pretty solid. To be honest with you, on my other bike, that looked way bigger. That actually looks kind of good. But I got something else. I just couldn't resist, so let me get that out for you. Okay, just switched out my 47 liter mono key for a 30 liter mono key. It's all aluminum. Looks a little bit nicer. It is definitely smaller on the Pan Am. Just a little extra storage. Actually, I bought the passenger backrest mounts I'm going to put on. I think they just stick. No one wants to watch that. I got this cool little net that goes on under the lid. I don't think this would fit a helmet, but that's not really what I look for. This is the Dolomite, something like that. Got it on sale. I think they're clearing it out. Nice little aluminum box. Again, I wanted the passenger backrest. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Be kind to each other. Ride safe. Minnow is out.